Hey, hi, my name is Mehdi, and I'm the founder of Panoramata, the ultimate intelligence e-commerce platform. And today, I'm actually glad to show you one of the latest features that we've made available on the platform, and this is called benchmarks. Let's jump right in. I'll show you how it works. Basically, what it allows you to do is to actually compare a brand or just a set of brands together. So I'm taking this one called DTC Lovers. And yet this one is actually comparing pros with a set of how much, maybe 10 brands in the US. And it's actually pretty easy to use. I can just go there, click edit, and then I'll be able to add or delete any brand. Which brand could, yes, let's add Graza because we might need some olive oil on this. Okay, I'll just edit the benchmark and boom, Graza is added just here, right there on the benchmarks. And the benchmark works this way. You can actually select the time frame that you're the most interested in. So let's take the last 14 days. Those brands had on average 8.7 emails. So you have this kind of data. And then you can really, dig down into the differences for between the brands, see which brands are actually performing better than the others. Here in terms of email sent, here in terms of email scoring. We calculate our email scoring based on more than 40 data points now. And if you're really interested into, okay, Parrot have sent 11 emails. What are those emails? You can actually get access to those emails just right away on the platform, just by, clicking this button. So you have the same with email deliverability performances as well, the spam score, the email size, and you have the same with the ads, with the new ads that we've detected on the platform, and the diversity of assets that they've been using. Pretty easy, pretty straightforward. You don't have to do this manual work of counting how many emails each brand is sending this week, last month against me. You just have the tool. You just select your brand, select your competitors, and boom, you have your report ready. Hope it helps. Hope the feature is now clearer for you. If you do need anything else, please help me know. Book a demo, send me an email. It's gonna be me on the other side. See you and talk soon. Bye bye.